welcome back to Anjigo classes. So now I'm going to explain you about how to create a drop down in the Google Sheet. Okay, ఇప్పుడు నేను గూగుల్ షీట్లో డ్రాప్ డౌన్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలో చెప్తాను. చూడండి now first. So as of now we have already know in the previous class what we have learned how to create in Google Sheet, right? So now we are going to create an drop down for the Google Sheet. So first of all, what is drop down? Drop down in the sense when you click on this something, so there are more than one option you have to choose. So there are multiple options. So we have to choose one option from them. Okay. So at that time we use drop down concept. So here see here student details form, your name, class, and district and status. What is meant by status here? Status is nothing but whether he is pass or fail, he is promoted or not. So now for class we can create one drop down. Why? Because so the class are 1 to 10th. We can create from 1 to 10th class. As you if you want to create up to 12, you can create here. So how to create here drop down? So just click on the wherever you want create a drop down, just click on this one. Okay, if you want create a drop down for B column, okay, B column, you should select that column. Okay, you should select that column. So I selected here B column. So here small arrow mark is visible, right? So click on that small arrow mark, that is nothing but your drop down. Okay, so once you click on the drop down, then your number of options are displayed. Okay, in your right side. So what are the options here? Those are so cut, copy, paste special, insert first column left, insert first column right, delete column, clear column, hide the column, resize column, a sort sheet A to Z, sort sheet Z to A, and here at last one, that is drop down. Okay, so you click on the drop down. Okay, once you click on the drop down, so here see, once you click on the drop down, here what is visible here, what is displaying here? Data validation rules. Data validation rules apply to range. Apply to range in the sense from which cell to which cell you need to create a drop down. From which cell to which cell you need to create a drop down. That is nothing but apply the range. So first here up as of now here I need from this is what, this is B2, right? From B2 to B2 to B10. I need B2 to B10. Here defaultly what is given here, default as here B1 to B1000 default, it is given as default, but we need to change as of our requirement. So I am changing B2 to B10, cell B2 to cell B10. Okay, clear? So this is B2 to B10, and whatever you want to insert, you can insert here. Option 1. So what is the first option? That option is first class, right? So I want to give first class, class 1. Okay, class hyphen 1. Okay, next option, class hyphen 2. CLASS, class hyphen 2. If you want to add one more, click on the add another item, class 3. Yes, if you want one more, click on here, class 4. Okay, sorry, 4. Next one more, class 5, class 5. Okay, so if you want to insert like this, you can copy this, Control C, add another item, Control V, and change the last class, that is 6. Okay, next same like class 6 is completed, right? Next paste, Control C and Control V, and change the class. Next, so here these all our records belong to a student, right? So this is nothing but student table. Okay, student details form. So now class 8 completed. Next, same manner you should do up to class 10. Okay, 8 completed 9. So next one, class 10. So just copy paste and change the class. So here what is this circle indicating? If you want add any color, for suppose if you want for class first class students, if you want to add a red color, give the red color. Okay. For second class students, if you want add green color, green color. For third class students, if you want add some another color, like this you can give. Okay. Then after entering all the options, just click on the done. Yes. See now. So here this is what? This is cell B2. Yes or no? Yes. This is B2 too, and this is B10. Up to B10 only created. Yes or no? So entire column is not created. You can observe here. Entire column is not created. Only the range, whatever we given in the range, that cells are created a drop down. Okay, am I clear? So now if you want select for second class student, if you want select it. That's it. For third class student, if you want select, you can select the third class, and whatever you are just enter here, just okay, clear, right? So just give the class, second class student, second class, seventh class student, seventh class, fifth class. Here one error is showing. What is that error? Invalid. Why? Because here 2 which is not present in the drop down, here class 2 is present, number 2 is not present. Clear? Now it is gone. Okay, so now we created a, what we created here, we created drop down for the class. So in the same manner, we should create a drop down for the status, whether he passed or failed. So what we will do first, same like as we did in the class column, we have to do in the status column also. Just select the column, select the D column and click on this drop down. Once you click on the drop down, here something will be displayed. See now, once clicking, here some options are displaying, right? So in the displaying, we should select this drop down. So once you selected the drop down, it is created the drop down for D1 to D1000, means cell D1 to cell D1000, but we need only D2 to D10. So just change the apply range, change the apply range. So change the apply range, here D2, right? Now here it is D10. I need this much only, right? D2 to D10, right? Once you are given the range, so go to the drop down. So see now what you need to give here, option one as it is status, right? So it is related to the status, you should give pass, pass, pass. If you want to give caps, it is no issue, pass, pass. So if you want, give the color green for the pass students. And next, if you want, say what is the next option, that is fail. Yeah, fail. So then what is the color you want to give? I think I will give red. So just you give this and just you done, click on the done, then everything will be applied. Yeah, see here, drop down is created. Up to where to where created? Up to D2 to D10 only created. Why? Because we given the range. Yes or no? We given the range from there to there. Okay. So now I'm going to select this one. So first one is pass. Next one pass. Next one fail. Next one pass. So you can select easily, right? So to make entries easy, we use drop down. Okay. Yes. Now we need to filter. What is filter in the sense? When is a group of records, so n number of records are present, so we need special records. Special in the records means where the condition is satisfied. For suppose I need only the persons who pass the test, or I need persons who is from class 2 or who is from class 3. I need only some sort of persons. When I need some sort of persons, I need to filter them. Okay. So I need only, I am applying the condition there. What is the condition? If I need only if I need only Hyderabad people, district is Hyderabad, so I need only Hyderabad. So how should I filter? So I will explain here. See, now once you here, now are you visible? Is it visible my cursor here? So once select this one. So how many entire sheet is selected? 1 is to 1000. Entire sheet is selected. So once your selection is completed, here see the options. Here borders, merge cells, and here more is there now. Once click on the more. In the more option, you will find here, what is you find here, create a filter views. So create, insert a chart, create a filter view. Okay, now we are going to filter view. Right, click on the filter view, new filter view. Right, click on the new filter view. Just after you're clicking on new filter view, it is displaying something. So what is displaying? So here B2 to B10, C2 to C10, D2 to D10. These are the already drop downs created. Yes or no? Yes. So it is displaying this data validation rules. So just here click on this one, filter one. So if you click on the filter one, then yes, now it is. So see here, once you click on the filter view, here filter is created. Yes or no? See this one, this what we will say, this down triangle or something. So see this one. So if you want, click this, and so once you click this, sorry, once you click this, so you're asking sort A to Z, sort Z to A, sort by color, filter by color is asking. First select all is there, na? So clear it. So after clearing it, just enter what you want. So if you want class 1, so just select the class 1 students. Class 1 in there. Okay, class 1 option, click on OK. So now here records are present. How many records are present? Only one record is present for the class 1. So your entire record is displayed here for the class 1. Okay, are you clear? So now go to filter and none. You are click on the none. Once you click on the none, the entire sheet will be displayed. Again, you have to select. I need now class 7. So right, I need class 7, right? So just click here and go to the filter, create a filter, create a filter. So here create a new filter. So click on here class and clear it all, clear the all, and select the class 7. Okay, class 7, you need class 7, right? So click on the class 7. So see here, the class 7 records are displayed here. Kumar, Giri, and class 7. So they are belongs to these districts and status of their exam, pass, fail. Okay. So in this way, we have created the filters. So how to remove the filter? Click on the filter and none. Click on the none. Okay. So it is clear. So once again, I will explain. If you want, go to status. So how to find the status? Now see here. So click here and clear, select all, clear it. And if you want pass students, only pass students, click on the pass and set OK. So these are the students passed. Okay, from class 2 and class 2, class 4, class 7, class 2. These are the students. How many students total passed? Total 4 students. Okay, 4 students passed in the exam. So it made easy, filters made easy. Okay, easy or search, whatever the search we are doing, it made easy, filters made easy. So how to remove the filter? Just go to the filter and click on it, then it will come. So if you want filter it, again click on the create a filter. Understood? Just if you click on this create a filter, then it will be created. Just create a filter, create a filter, filter is created. Now I want the people from district Hyderabad. So here select clear all first, select Hyderabad and click on OK. So these are the Hyderabad people. Okay. So in this way filter will work. Are you clear? So it is very easy to how to create a drop down and how to create a filter. So in this class, this is up to here. I will explain, right. In the next videos, we will learn more about Google Sheets. Okay. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment section.